Welcome back, dear friends. This is News You Can Eat 24. I'm Chef Walter. Today's topic is when you know your ketchup is gone. If you open your fridge, the ketchup is there along with mustard, pickles, jams, and everything else. You also see ketchup on the tables of fast-paced restaurants. Don't you wonder how old it is and how long it's been out? The sell-by and best-by dates are notoriously not accurate. They are there just as a suggestion based on the manufacturing quality of the product. Very often we discard perfectly fine food and wasting money. In the case of ketchup, the story is slightly different. The first thing to change is the color, because if kept at room temperature, it will only last about 30 days, more or less. The product will turn darker, kind of a maroon shaded. Some good quality national brands advocate using the product for over a year once opened, if stored upright and refrigerated. But I am not personally inclined to try anything past a year other than cured meats and aged cheeses. Once you have analyzed the color, look for the separation of the content. Water usually settles on the top and the solid below. It is still good to consume, but be certain that the end is near. If ketchup is not something you use regularly, it's probably a good idea to buy a new bottle. The same argument applies to those little packets that you see. But you can make a nice batch of ketchup with pureed ripe tomatoes, apple vinegar, little salt, and very little sugar. You can also add your preferred spices, such as cardamom, garlic, and onion powder. The store-bought variety includes these ingredients. In addition, they add high fructose corn syrup, but you don't need any of that. Surprisingly, it can be a low-calorie addition to food because it contains less fat than mayonnaise, which holds 140 calories every 12 grams. The comparison makes ketchup a healthier option. And lastly, if you have time, make it yourself. At first, your kids will despise it, but after some tries, it will become a true staple of your household. And that is News You Can Eat 24 for today. Please send us your question at info@chefwalterscookingschool.com and we'll do our best to respond. Subscribe to this YouTube channel on the Chef Walter's Cooking School and follow our podcast, Flavors and Knowledge, on your preferred platform. Hey, keep your eyes on the fire and thanks for watching. We'll chat next time. Ciao, ciao.